Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 K5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 180 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.